Hey, my pink babes. It's your girl Stormy Styles of Pink and Natural Hair Company. And today I'm coming at you with another Microlink Weft video. This is our no move up maintenance microlinks. And as you can see, I went ahead and I started removing my client's wefts. She is wearing our raw kinky curly bundles. I absolutely love this hair. It looks a little rough right now, but it's actually super soft and easy to straighten. And you'll see as I continue on with her takedown and reinstall. So right now I'm just detangling her hair, removing all of the buildup and the shedded hair so that I can get through it nice and easily before I shampoo her. Now this is where I'm doing her blow dry using that Dyson Supersonic blow dryer that I really love so much. I went ahead and did a silk out on her hair because you want to straighten her hair before we do the install. Just makes it a lot easier. Sometimes you can do it with just blow drying it and straightening the hair along the way along with the extensions, but her hair is very thick and so is the hair extensions that we're going to be putting in. So I went ahead and did a silk press. Shortly after that, I'll go ahead and trim her ends. So this is where the trim begins, and as I stated in my previous videos, you always want to make sure your client has a nice fresh trim if needed before they get a new install. And I'm adding on the beads for the foundation for her wefts. She's going to get about 3.5. She's just going to get just a half of one on top just to add a little bit more volume because she likes to wear this hair in its natural state as well. So we want to have a really nice balance. So I'm going ahead and adding the bead foundation, and then I have sewn on all of her wefts using our no move up maintenance method, which enables her to wear this style continuously until it's time for another takedown and reinstall. So it saves her about $300 to $400 along the way. And so here you can see how easily this raw kinky curly hair just stretches out. I absolutely love it. It does not delay the process. Some kinky curly hair in the virgin state takes really long to dry, takes a lot of time to straighten out with the blow dryer, and it always seems like it's just still wet halfway through the process. It's so soft and it blends so well with her hair. It's like seamless once you get it installed. If it matches your hair texture, usually my clients absolutely love it. So you can see how easily the kinky curly bundles are stretching out. The raw kinky curly bundles are beautiful. So look at how smoothly it straightens out. Not too many delays along the way. And this process usually moves a little fast once the extensions are in because, like I stated, she only has about 3 full rows in her hair. So it's not like the standard braidless sewing, which I do appreciate, that process as well. I still do it sometimes if the person's hair is not long enough to provide the proper coverage for this style, because you do need to have healthy hair at a certain length to get good coverage and not have to concern yourself with any move-up appointments. Look at that shine. Look at that blend. Ooh, you can't tell where her hair ends or the extensions begin. Beautiful, beautiful. This is about her second reinstall with this hair. She does such a great job taking care of it. She likes to wear it natural. She likes to wear it blown out. She usually gets it silk pressed when she comes into the salon, and not a whole lot of maintenance. I mean, you do need to wash your hair and shampoo and blow dry it on a regular basis. You want to make sure you blow dry your hair. You're not leaving with your hair wet, just a wash and go. If you do want to wash and go, I would recommend sitting under the dryer, or if you're doing a twist out or anything, I would recommend sitting under the dryer, making sure your roots are dry before leaving out. But other than that, once you get through the shampoo and blow dry process, then you can style it as you would your own hair. It's just going to take a little tiny bit more time because you're styling your hair and the extensions. And so today she wanted to wear her style with some curls, and I love doing curls. She does wear this hair straight sometimes when she gets it silk press, but I like to have curls in my hair in particular because once the curls fall and after about a week or a week and a half or something, you can still wrap your hair and end up wearing it straight. So, that's the benefit of having curls. You kind of get two styles in one until you rewash your hair. And so for natural hair, I recommend washing your hair about every 2 to 3 weeks. If 2 weeks is too much, then I would say every 3 weeks to still keep it nice and clean with the extensions in. A lot of times your silk press will last a lot longer when you're wearing extensions. So, 3 weeks is still not too bad. Unless you get a lot of buildup. If you're getting a lot of buildup in your hair, then you would need to probably talk to your hairstylist to make sure that there's no other factors that are causing that buildup. But if you have, normal scalp activity, then I would say, every 3 weeks is good. Now, for my ladies who work out, some of them like to wash their hair once a week. That's totally fine as long as you feel as though that you can manage it. Every 2 weeks, if that's good for you. I like to wash my hair every 3 weeks because it usually lasts up until that time, and I usually need my hair color by the 3rd week. And so look at how those curls are just so secure. This hair is ultimately very soft, but it does hold a curl very, very well. These raw kinky curly extensions do a great job at giving you a nice natural looking effect, especially if you like to wear your hair in different styles, thermal styles, including, natural styles. You can do it, but these curls usually last a good amount of time. You can put some flexi rods in them before you go to bed. Put that satin scarf on top, and then put that satin bonnet on top of the scarf to add a little more security. And so this is the ending results. Oh, she looks so beautiful. I absolutely love this hairstyle. One of my favorite go-tos. Doesn't her hair look gorgeous? So as you can see, I'm moving her hair around to try to show you where the wefts are, but they're so seamless that you can't even see them. So no beads are exposed or anything, but it was really hard for me to find the weft to show you guys because it's really hidden. Okay, so there's the weft. There it is. Can you tell the difference? I can't, and I did it. So So if you like this video, please like, subscribe, and share with your friends.